Kentucky homeowners may face higher utility bills after the first of the year.
WDRB's Monica Harkins breaks down the confusion around a new tax.
I don't feel like it's super clear.
If you own one Kentucky home and live in it, you don't have to worry about the changes in residential utility sales taxes. But LG&E and KU says it has notified about 46,000 customers across its coverage area this does apply to.
Right now, what we're trying to do is reach those customers who have multiple properties in our system.
Your primary home will not get an additional 6% tax on your utilities like water, gas, and electric. Your additional properties will. LG&E and KU wants customers to fill out its online form by Thursday to let them know which property is your primary residence.
Every co-op in the state, perhaps every utility in the state, is experiencing a high call volume because there's a change.
Kentucky Electric Cooperative says for people with multiple meters on the primary property, you can include that in an exemption.
Is that barn part of an agricultural operation, or is it just simply part of my house? Is that street light outside that might have a separate meter on it part of my house, or is that considered part of a different commercial operation?
Louisville Water says it wants to give a grace period and is accepting exemption forms from its estimated 10,000 affected customers as late as February 12th. For landlords like Kyle Noltemeyer, it could depend on the size of home or complex and how the building is coded.
We have to fill out a lot of paperwork and hope that we're doing the right thing.
Noltemeyer says it would cost thousands if the sales tax applies when a tenant vacates an apartment. For smaller rented out spaces like a duplex, the landlord can have their tenant fill out a form claiming it is their primary residence, so they don't get taxed. All in all, Noltemeyer says he feels left in the dark.
Confusion of it all, the cost of it all, the paperwork of it all, especially for smaller operators.
The Kentucky Department of Revenue says these changes take place January 1st, 2023. That's just a few weeks away. In Louisville, with photojournalist Dave White, Monica Harkins, WDRB News.